So Apple has just released this new Siri application, which now allows us to, inside of iOS 27, to have our conversations kind of saved. Now, within iOS 27, you can find the Siri application by scrolling through your home screen and finding the Siri app that looks like this, and you can go and open it up. You might have some conversations in it, you might not have any conversations in it. Now, I'll go and just kind of clear out of these ones so it'll kind of get closer to what you'd look like when you actually open it up for the first time. Now, at the very bottom left, you'll have a search bar where you can search through the conversations that you've already kind of had. On the bottom right, you'll see this kind of like pencil notepad icon. If you tap on that, it will now allow you to actually start asking Siri questions. So now you can go through and ask Siri whatever questions you want. It's very similar to ChatGPT like Gemini. So I can ask Siri, how much does the iPhone 17 cost? So now it'll go through and basically start allowing me to have that conversation with it. Now it also has this very annoying prompt up here of basically doing my iCloud storage. But here you can kind of scroll through and start seeing and start kind of interacting with this Siri application. So now you can kind of go through and kind of continue to kind of go back and forth with it. And it's up to you depending on what you want to do. In the bottom left, you'll see this plus icon. You can tap on this plus icon. You can upload files, photos. You can go through and take a photo if you need to on here via the camera portion. You can also talk to Siri by clicking on this microphone option. You can also talk to Siri that way, which is another really cool thing. So again, it's kind of up to you on which way you kind of want to go about it, but that's another really cool advantage here. Now, if you click on X in the top left, you basically come back into this conversations panel here. Now, if you want, you can also basically go through and swipe this way on your message, and you can pin your threads if you want to, your conversations, or you can also delete them this way. And that's kind of how you use it. There's not really that much else to it. It's a pretty basic app. It's very similar to ChatGPT or Google Gemini, but that's essentially pretty much how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.